Hey kids, we got lesson 4 for unit 1, so 1.4, construction techniques 2, equilateral triangles. So our learning goal here is let's identify what shapes are possible within the construction of a regular hexagon. And we've constructed a hexagon before, right? Hexagons have 6 sides. Let's see, possible within, so shapes. Okay, so we're going to be doing shapes that are inside said regular hexagon. Okay, so let's go ahead and get going. We've seen this before, right, in Geogebra Art. So we've constructed this on Geogebra. Now, what do we notice? What do we wonder? Let's see. What I notice is we have how many circles? We have a central circle, right? Central circle. What else? How many circles are there? There's a center one. There's two to the left and right. There's 2 up top, 2 on bottom. So 6 surrounding the center circle. So 6 overlapping circles. Are all the circles the same size? Yeah, they are. So all circles have the same radius, right? Supposedly, you know, just by looking at it. I see some points, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay, so we got 6 points. Interesting. 6 overlapping circles, 6 points. I wonder if that's a coincidence. There's also a beautiful flower in the middle, right? Yeah, if you see anything else, right, good for you. So let's see. What polygons can we find? So basically, here we're going to use the tools, straight edge and compass, to construct a regular hexagon inscribed in the circle. Inscribed means inside our construction, okay, or inside a circle. Inscribed, inside. Same almost. All right, so here we go. We're going to draw at least 2 polygons on the figure. So I'm going to go ahead and use those coordinates, those points, sorry, to construct whatever I really want to construct. So how about I construct, what's crazy is I kind of want to try this shape button. What's shape? Hey, shape does it for me. Look at that. I got a triangle, right, inscribed in the circle. What else could I do? I could also, let's try my second object. All right, it's supposed to be a rectangle, but it's not perfect. So it's definitely a foregone, all right? Quadrilateral. Write at least 2, so number 2, write at least 2 conjectures about the polygons you made. All right, so one was a triangle, right? Because it used 3 points of intersection. 3 points which are points of intersection. And that's from the circles, right? Overlapping each other. And then what else? That was it. And then I did the rectangle, right? Now I'm assuming it's a rectangle, right? So rectangle, it uses 4 points, right? Which are also intersections. Okay, so see how you can construct things inside that construction. All right, activity 4.3, spot the equilaterals. Okay, equilateral. So equilateral triangles, equilateral. So what does that mean about all the sides of that triangle? Equilateral, they're equal, right? So let's go ahead and use shape. Now, do you guys notice that there's this point that we can create right in the middle? like right here. So I'm going to go ahead and use a shape. Okay, I want to click right here in the middle, and then I'm going to click out there, and hold on. Let's see, shape. I'm trying to be as exact as possible. I should probably, there we go. There we go. There you go. It's not perfect because of the mouse, but that's an equilateral, right? And it says to construct at least 2 equilateral triangles of different sizes. All right, so there's my first one. Let's try my second one. How about from here to here? Oops. Here to here to here and to here. Does that look like an equilateral triangle? Okay. So let's see. Are you ready for more? You know it. Wow. So number one, examine the figure carefully. What different shapes is it composed of? Well, I see a hexagon, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? All right here, so that's a hexagon. I see an equilateral triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I see like pizza slices, right? Now what's really interesting is you can kind of see that this is also a circle, right? Like part of a circle. So it's very similar to the outer shape, if you will, of that. And it looks like their equilateral triangle that they created, let me show you, was using these points of intersection. So here's a much bigger equilateral triangle. Wow, that's trippy, right? All right. So in summary, the new word of the day is inscribed. Inscribed, inside. This equilateral triangle is inside or inscribed in that circle. All right. And I believe that's the end of the lesson. We got problems here, and we will use assessments in Google Classroom to answer these, and we'll review those together in our meeting today. All right, have a beautiful day.